Wax like a pro with this surprising Brazilian waxing tip. Are you tired of the challenges that come with waxing and the frustration of unsatisfactory results? What if I told you there's a simple tip that can make a big difference in your waxing routine? Stick around for this surprising Brazilian waxing tip that could change how you approach hair removal. Waxing can be tricky. It's not only the pain that people worry about, but also the mess and the possibility of irritation. Even with good technique, it's easy to end up with some unwanted outcomes. But don't worry, this easy tip could make all the difference. Before you start, make sure your skin is clean and free of excess oils. Use a gentle cleanser or witch hazel to prep the area. Here's the game-changing part. Apply a thin layer of talcum powder before waxing. This step helps the wax adhere smoothly, making the process more comfortable. The talcum powder acts as a barrier to absorb moisture and ensures the wax grips the hair better. This can help reduce discomfort and make the process more effective. For the best results, apply the wax in the direction of hair growth and press down gently to ensure adhesion. When it's time to remove, do so quickly and in the opposite direction of hair growth. This method can help you pull more hair at once, which can mean smoother skin and less irritation. And that's it! This simple tip can make your next waxing session a breeze. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more expert beauty and wellness tips. Until next time, take care.